Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to speak about how to calculate weighted average in Excel and what is the importance of average in general and weighted average. Okay. Yes, here we have a table. This table having a number of houses and in each house you have a number of people living in it. You have location for this house, and also you have here some distance people have to travel from this place to another point, like 3.3 from their house. Okay, so this is the distance. We can just calculate the average with respect to them. So if I want to just interested in normal average, the formula will be like this, and the computation for it will be average of these values, and I can just find it will be like 7.7, and this is very interesting, but this is like average per house. Deal with each house as the same. But if I look at respect to the people travel, and I wanted to know the distance traveled by every person, so I will consider each house differently, because each house will have a weight. Depending on the number of people living inside it. So again, some product, and now because I have already a table, you can use table name, table 1, table 2, and then you can have the name in here. So table 2 of people means this column. It is similar to B3 to B18, but just if you highlight this area, Excel will do it the job for you, because it will use the table name instead of using just the cell names. So again, I find this value 7.9, almost like 8, so it's a bit higher than 7.7, which means the number of houses, some people travel more than what you expect them if you just look at the houses. So you have to consider where people live, which means that more people live far away from this place rather than the house themselves. So here I can just have maybe some calculation from this and put it like metrics or some indicators from my data. This will be very interesting to do it very automatically like this, do the calculation and maybe put it in a text, and then I can copy this text and put it away in maybe some infographic. It will be very interesting to just show people who are interested in the result, or can compare the result from one time to another, so I can see how my metrics change. So good. So the third thing, which is very interesting, I'm interested in finding average people, average distance traveled for person with some restriction, here in this column called Y, and I want to restrict it to have like Y greater than 10, Y greater than 10, which should just look at some specific places like this 2 places and these 2 places, this 3, sorry. So I will be interested in this 5 rows only, so it will collect the information from them and then do weighted average with respect to people here, and then get the computation for me very quickly, as I can see. So it's very nice. Some product is very flexible. You can use it in very what you call magical ways. It can fit your needs very easily. You just remember you have to do calculation between numeric values, and this can explain to you sometimes we have to do some restriction. For example, table 2 of Y, I do the restriction here in Y, but I want to multiply average weight, average distance, or distance by number of people. So I will not be able to do the restriction in one of them. So something like this will be very interesting for you to consider. So I will copy the formula after I finish. So here I can just copy something and update the table name or the column name. So it's very interesting now, it's almost finished. Just copy it. Then I find the value will be 8.5, which more interesting that the distance traveled for this special houses greater than 10 and the y will be higher than what you expect normally in normal houses. So it looks like this houses are far from the point we had before, the supermarket at 3 and 3. So this can explain in a very clear way, and you can just have these values here. You can just remember the formula for your interest. Thank you.